Ready and start. The writ application was filed by these appellants because the Legislative Assembly refused to continue with the hiring or engagement of these appellants beyond 28 to 2006. They were hired in the very first place for a limited period on 27/6/2005, and the engagement was not extended beyond 28 to 2006. In other words, their hiring came to an end within 8 months. Para. The learned single judge heard the parties rather extensively, and taking note of the manner and narration of the engagement as well as the object that the engagement was for very limited period, opined that no appointment on a temporary basis can continue beyond 1 year without a fresh advertisement and selection. Not only this, the learned single judge refused to give any relief to these appellants, but also gave a direction for taking steps for regular appointment, cutting out the gross arbitrariness and ad hocism which was noticed in the manner of such engagement. Para. The court notices the very opening sentence of the learned single judge. This case depicts an extremely sorry state of affairs and the spoil system that pervades even the office of the Vidhan Sabha of the state. These are very loaded observations to make by the learned single judge, and he was correct in making such an observation, and the reasons thereof emerge from the narration of facts. There has been complete disregard to the statutory rules which are in place for such appointments and engagement, one of them being the Bihar Legislative Assembly Secretariat (appointment and service condition) rules 1964. Para. The court is tempted to reproduce some of the observations which the learned single judge has had to make emerging from the pleadings of the parties. And para. The relief claimed by the petitioners is that they should be allowed to continue to work as others have been allowed to work on similar posts. In other words, what the petitioners had prayed, as noticed earlier from this panel, two sets of appointments had earlier been made. The first in the year 2003 itself, which were though said to be temporary, were not limited in time. The second lot, which was limited in time. All of them were allowed to continue by letters of extension from time to time. Petitioners also want that they should also continue in this ad hoc fashion, though their very appointment had been sanctioned by the Secretariat of the Assembly to a fixed period terminating to 28 to 2006. In the counter affidavit filed by the Assembly, first a stand had been taken which was deplorable. It is stated that on the eve of the registration of the Speaker made these appointments. Having made the appointments on the next day, he tendered resignation and the assembly was suspended with imposition of president rule. It is unfortunate from the order sheet opened to the said counter affidavit, it is evident that it was long before that the office itself had recommended that the life of the panel be extended and the vacancies that have accrued be filled up from the said panel to save time. This travelled from level to level with an alternative solution for making alternative management from recruitment process. Thus, it was not the Speaker which was pushing the matter on the eve of his resignation. The selection from the panel was also done long before.